Now you can glam up your beauty routine with this special tinted lip gloss. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Tinted Lip Gloss, and the common use for this is topically on the lips. That's right. The main benefits of the tinted lip gloss from doTERRA is that it creates a glossy, shimmery shine and beautiful look to your lips, combines CPTG essential oils of peppermint and wild orange, and carrier oils to soften and protect your lips as well, which is very important, especially if you have sun exposure or if you just go out and sometimes the lips can dry out, so this is important to keep in mind. The directions for use are gently squeezing the applicator and then evenly applying to your lips, and then you can reapply as often as needed or if it rubs off. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates if you haven't already done so, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on.